In modern naval warfare, survival is measured in seconds. Not minutes. Not warnings. Just seconds. When a threat is detected at sea, there is no time for debate, no room for hesitation. The system must respond instantly, flawlessly, and with overwhelming force. This is where one of the most feared last-line defense weapons in the world comes into play. What you are about to witness is not just ammunition being loaded. It is the preparation of a machine designed to protect an entire warship when everything else has failed. This massive rotating drum you see is not ordinary storage. It is the heart of the Phalanx close-in weapon system, a fully autonomous guardian that stands between a naval vessel and destruction. Inside this magazine drum lies a specific type of ammunition, engineered for one purpose only: stopping incoming threats at extremely close range. These are 20mm rounds with tungsten penetrators, small in size, yet devastating in effect. Tungsten is not chosen by accident. It is one of the densest metals on Earth, capable of maintaining incredible kinetic energy even at extreme speeds. When fired, these rounds travel faster than sound, forming a wall of metal between the ship and anything trying to destroy it. Missiles, aircraft, drones, or fast-moving surface threats all face the same outcome if they enter the engagement zone. The loading process itself is a precision operation. Each round must be inspected, aligned, and fed into the magazine drum with exact placement. There is no room for error. One misaligned round could compromise the entire system during combat, and in real scenarios, that could mean the difference between survival and catastrophe. As technicians carefully load the tungsten ammunition, they are not simply filling a weapon. They are charging a defensive shield. The magazine drum is designed to hold hundreds of rounds, arranged in a continuous feed system that allows the Phalanx to fire at an astonishing rate. When activated, the gun can unleash thousands of rounds per minute, creating a dense cloud of tungsten projectiles that shred anything unfortunate enough to be caught in its path. What makes this system truly unique is not just its firepower, but its intelligence. Once loaded, the Phalanx CIWS becomes a thinking machine. Radar systems track incoming targets, computers calculate trajectories, and the gun automatically adjusts aim and fire without human intervention. From detection to engagement, the entire process can happen in seconds. By the time a human could react, the threat is already gone. Each 20mm tungsten round loaded into the drum represents a final warning that will never be heard. There is no negotiation, no second chance. When the Phalanx engages, it does so with absolute authority. The ammunition is designed to destroy targets through sheer kinetic force, ripping through missile bodies, control surfaces, and guidance systems before they can reach the ship. As the drum fills, its weight increases significantly. Tungsten is heavy, and hundreds of rounds add serious mass to the system. Engineers have designed the magazine to rotate smoothly despite this weight, ensuring uninterrupted feeding during high-speed firing. Every mechanical component is stress-tested, because failure during combat is not an option. The sound of the Phalanx firing is often described as unforgettable. A deep, continuous roar that feels more like a machine tearing the air apart than a traditional gun. But before that sound can ever be heard, this silent loading process must be completed with absolute perfection. It is preparation in its purest form. This ammunition is not meant to intimidate. It is meant to intercept. Unlike offensive weapons designed to strike targets far away, the Phalanx exists for one moment. Only, the final seconds before impact. When all other defenses fail, when missiles slip through layers of protection, this system stands ready, already loaded, already locked, already waiting. The tungsten rounds themselves are marvels of engineering. Designed to maintain stability at extreme rotational speeds, they are optimized for accuracy and penetration. Fired from a 6-barrel rotary cannon, each round follows a calculated path that intersects precisely with the incoming threat. The result is not an explosion, but disintegration. As the final rounds are loaded into the magazine drum, the system is sealed and secured. From this moment on, the Phalanx is armed, alert, and unforgiving. It does not sleep. It does not blink. It scans the horizon endlessly, waiting for something to cross an invisible line. This is what modern naval defense looks like. Not dramatic launches or distant explosions, but quiet preparation, meticulous loading, and machines built to make decisions faster than human thought. The real power lies not in firing the weapon, but in knowing it is ready when the moment comes. So the next time you see a warship cutting through the ocean, remember this unseen process happening beneath the surface of its defenses. Remember the tungsten rounds locked inside rotating drums, waiting for a threat that may never come, yet ready to respond without mercy if it does. Because in naval warfare, hope is not a strategy. Readiness is. And every single 20mm round loaded into the Phalanx CIWS magazine drum is a promise that this ship will fight back, no matter how close the danger gets.